Hi, today we're going to be downloading WordPress on one of our websites. First things first, we're going to want to look for our domain. We're going to copy it into the search bar in Google, and we're going to add /cPanel to the end. It's going to ask us to sign in with our username and password. Here's our username. We're going to copy that. We're going to paste that in the username box. And our password, we're going to copy that in the same process, paste it in the password box. Then we're going to scroll down to where it says Softaculous Apps Installer. We're going to click on WordPress. We're going to click on Install Now. We're going to choose here our desired version. In this case, we're going to choose the latest one. Then we're going to choose protocol. I'd recommend http www. The domain, and then in directory we can put /web/online. But for now, we're going to keep it, empty. Then in site name, we're going to give our site a name, Florida Test, and description, we're going to put test123. Here, we're going to make our username and password. We can just put whatever. And then the password, the same process, just put something, whatever, and just save it, and save it. Then we're going to scroll down. We can choose all of these languages for our website. We're just going to leave it in English. We can add any of these plugins, but it's best just to pretty much download WordPress and then install plugins on your own. And then we do the same process with themes. We just click install. We're going to give it a couple of seconds. And WordPress should be installed. Now we go back to our website and we click refresh. We'll see that WordPress is now installed, and we can log in with our WP admin and start getting to work. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.